Wisconsin's court system deals with many areas, from criminal trials to civil cases to family courts. When someone gets arrested or files a lawsuit, they may end up in court. But figuring out what court to go to can be confusing. There are 4 courts in the Wisconsin court system. Many cities, towns, and villages have a municipal court where you may appear for local traffic tickets. Circuit courts, which we'll discuss in more detail in a moment, are the state's trial courts. The Court of Appeals was created in 1978 to correct errors that occur at the circuit court level. And the Supreme Court resolves disputes in accordance with the federal and state constitutions and laws. The first time someone appears in court, they will either begin in a municipal court or a circuit court. Circuit courts are run by Wisconsin's 72 counties, with at least 1 branch in every county, except for 6 counties that are paired off and share judges. At least half of counties have more than 1 branch. The circuit court you appear in is determined by where you get your ticket or where your claim was filed.
Let's say if you're picked up in Dane County by a state trooper, you lived in Outagamie County, you still would have to go to Dane County to hear your case because that's where the ticket was issued.
Inside a circuit court room, you will find a combination of state and county employees. The judge, court reporter, district attorney, and public defender are all state workers. The court clerk, secretary, and bailiff are all county employees. Outside of the courtroom, circuit courts are managed by the County Clerk of Circuit Courts, which is a county elected position.
My responsibility is to make sure all these cases are filed and make sure they're filed correctly. And we maintain the files here, so if somebody wants to come look at their case, they can physically come here, have their case pulled off a shelf, and they can look at the file.
Besides maintaining a lot of paperwork and electronic files, the Clerk of Court's office also takes care of finding eligible jurors for jury cases. And when someone needs to pay a fine, they visit the Clerk of Courts as well. The Clerk of Court's duties can involve a criminal activity or offense, as well as civil cases, including family court and small claims. To learn more about your county's court system, visit your county's website.